Hi everyone, welcome to Get the Marvel. Russia has just issued a fine against Google that's worth more than the world's entire GDP. Yes, you heard that right. The court in Moscow has demanded that Google pay a penalty estimated in the decillions, that's 20 followed by 33 zeros. So, what exactly led to this astronomical figure? It all started back in 2020 when YouTube, owned by Google, blocked Russian pro-government media outlets like Tsargrad TV and Refusal. These channels, tied to Kremlin-backed figures and under U.S. sanctions, were reportedly in violation of YouTube's policies. But for Russia, this was a direct assault on its state-owned media presence on the global platform. Since then, the penalties began to rack up. The court ordered that if Google didn't restore these accounts, it would face daily fines that would double over time. Starting at 100,000 rubles a day, these fines compounded week by week, leading to today's mind-blowing total around 2 Decillion rubles. That's a 36-digit number for context. While Google's market value sits around $2 trillion, this unprecedented fine, worth over 1 million times that, is obviously unenforceable. And it seems Russia knew that too. The fine appears to be more of a symbolic move, a statement from Russia against what it sees as censorship by Western tech companies. This isn't the first time Russia has targeted Google. After the country's invasion of Ukraine, Google shut down its local Russian office and declared bankruptcy. But despite the shutdown, YouTube and Google's search engine remain available in Russia, where they are still highly used. Meanwhile, Russian bailiffs have already seized over $100 million from Google's Russian division to support local media efforts and, reportedly, fund aspects of Russia's military. Google, for its part, is challenging these fines and their enforcement. They've already argued that previous asset seizures exceeded the fine initially owed, and they've raised concerns about Russia attempting to enforce these fines internationally. But with this staggering penalty, Russia seems less focused on practical enforcement and more on sending a message. So what does this mean for the future of international tech relations, sanctions, and content control online? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more on this ongoing story. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next video.